Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me your host Muzammil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here to introduce a very new site which name is Medical Doggy Token. It is a charity token for COVID-19 and non-COVID-19. We will discuss about their different things like roadmaps, BSc contract, Telegram, social groups, staking rewards, insured liquidity, and their tokenomics and their roadmaps also. I always here to introduce new things. So today this site is a very new site. Its white listing has just started, and their chart and buy their method of their buy MD Doggy is not listed here. So we start there our video. This is very new token, so that's why their chart and way to buy MD Doggy is not here. It is under development site. Let's see their BSc contract at when you click on the BSc contract, you will face the first home page of the BSc scan. You can see their total supply, and their holder is only one, and only one transaction they made, and their BSc its contract is here. You can copy it on paste on your wallet when it is listed on your wallet, and their decimal is 18, and social profile, you can see their social profile by clicking there. So we go back our home page and discuss about it in detail. Without discuss it in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my videos first, and please see my complete video without skipping. So let's start our video by introducing the Medical Doggy Token. First of all, I make a little introduction about their medical doggy token. It is a charity token for the COVID-19 and non-COVID-19 health facilities. Staking at launch with Panther Swap. When we scroll down, we see their greetings from MD Doggy. Charity token built on Binance Smart Chain. Our aim is to provide assistance to COVID-19 and non-COVID-19 facilities. Opportunity to increase the holdings by staking. The team will open the staking vault in Panther Swap on listing. So it's 8% redistribution rate to all holder, and stake and earn while you help the world prepare against disease. It is a full decentralized, no third party transaction is involved in it. And their whitelisting for the private sale, when you join on whitelisting to get the MD Doggy tokens at a 50% discount, slots are limited. Tweet about our project and expand awareness by actively participating in community events. Help and earn at the same time. Charity works will be documented. Sorry, we will discuss their charity works. They are donating to health facilities is the utmost priority to this token. And their staking, we greatly value our token holders staking value with MD Doggy tokens will be opened in Panther Swap open listing rewards. They are offering 8% of every transaction will be redistributed to all holders, increasing the number of the MD Doggy tokens. And their insured liquidity is 2% of every transaction will be locked forever in the Pancake Swap liquidity pool. This ensure more liquidity and lessen price impact. And their marketing plan is partnership with the marketing platforms to optimize exposure and spread awareness of this cryptocurrency. And their token holding on team wallet created are only for charity and marketing for sustainability of project. Decentralized early phase, no third party of transaction. Trading transaction will happen through Pancake Swap. Limiting its supply is also limited. More than 50% of total circulating supply of MD tokens will be burned prior to listing. We will discuss their tokenomics. Their total supply is limited, and it is totally decentralized. It is their total supply, and you can buy this amount with 1 BNB in private sale. When they start their pre-sale, their price increases, and you can only buy 650 million for in only 1 BNB. When they start their listing price, then their price will increases, and you can buy only 600 million by one BNB. Their tokenomics is private sale is 5%, pre-sale is 20%, listing in PancakeSwap 10%, token burn 6%, and their marketing and charity is 5%. So when we scroll down, we will discuss their white paper. You can see their white paper in English, and when you click on the white paper, you easily will download it and read it in detail. So when they are on, it is this version is not in my IMD, so I can't see it on my PC. So we discussed that if you want to invest or you want to buy their tokens, you should also download their white papers and discuss it, or read it clearly, so you can learn it more. Their first phase in June 2021, idea development and concept creation and team formation, token generation. And in number 2 phase is community building, July 2021, and number 3 is early phase of launch, August 2021. And in their fourth phase is growth curve, September 2021, and future of medical doggy. So when we scroll down, we will face their contacts, their Telegram, their Google, and at the end of my every video, I always suggest you to join their social networks or follow them on Twitter, because by following it, you can easily updated by their every little news. So go in their social groups and join them. You will informed when they starting their sale. And how can you earn more profit by buying and holding their tokens? So we go to their Twitter, and when we press on the Twitter, you will face the interface of the Twitter, and this is the Medi Doggy page on Twitter. You should follow them and press the bell icon, so you will updated daily. You will updated in daily basis on a single page. You can see they joined their Twitter in July 2021, and they have 30 followers on their Twitter in few days, some days. And you can see their updates on their single page. So I give you a complete review on this site. Maybe you will understand the main logic of this site. Thanks for watching my complete video, and Allah Hafiz.